Internet, as always, here's my Matchbox disclaimer. I'm not your attorney unless we've got a signed contract and you've paid the applicable fees. These videos are for information purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. So, hi, today let's talk about some tips to determine if your lawyer is being efficient and cost effective when you need them to be. I'm having this come up in a lot of cases where opposing counsel is wasteful in time and resources. So, number one, communication is key. I probably over communicate with my clients. Some of them could probably use less communication. I feel like I may overwhelm them, but you want to make sure you have an attorney that's accessible, whether it's meetings, emails, or even texting. It's really important that you and your lawyer have a clear understanding of the objectives and expectations of the case. It just helps ensure that both of you are on the same page and that your attorney can give you the results you need and understand that's what you're getting. Experience and skill. I mean, I've been doing this 20 years, and you just want to make sure that even if you have an attorney who is less experienced in time, if they've had and worked with good mentors and, they have a good reputation, you don't have to have a 20-year attorney. But, you also want to make sure that an attorney with more experience stays up to date on technology and legal information. So, and it's always good to get a referral from another friend who is an attorney or in the legal field. And the final thing is you want to make sure that they have effective case management. What does that mean? It means that your attorney lets you know what's going on in the case. Believe it or not, it includes your attorney showing up for court dates. That happens. It's so weird. I'll be on a calendar call and a lawyer just isn't there. So strange. And you want to make sure that your lawyer is proactive and responsive to what you need and to what the court is saying, rather than, you having to hound them for deadlines and information. So those are just 3 tips about how your lawyer should be effective and cost effective so that you can get the best results possible. And, just make sure that you have a list of what is important to you in addition to some of these ideas. I just wanted to share my thoughts as a practicing attorney, and especially in light of the fact that I don't know what is in the wind, but I'm getting a lot of weird lawyers that I'm working with who are just burning time and burning money and not working effectively and efficiently to help parties get through their divorce in a way that will preserve as much of the marital estate as possible. And it's baffling, and I can't control it. It's frustrating for me and my clients. And I hope that, if you watch this and if in the very least it'll validate if you're going through a divorce and you're thinking, what is wrong with my spouse or partner and what the heck is wrong with their lawyer, just know you are not alone. It is a weird world out there. Stay safe.